friends, we're going to learn about the volume of a cylinder. So we're going to need to remember about the parts of that formula. The formula is going to be V equals pi r squared times the height. So we're going to look at every individual aspect of this formula and what it means. V stands for volume because we're trying to find the volume of the cylinder. This little funky thing is going to be pi. We do know that. Pi is an infinite number. So unless your problem says use 3.14, I would like you to use the pi button. Do not just type 3.14 because that's not going to be the same thing, y'all. This is going to be radius, the R. Is the radius the whole circle or half of the circle? Whoops, that's 1.5. What do we think? Diameter is the whole circle, y'all. Remember, dime, the whole dime is diameter. Half of that is going to be radius. So if we have the diameter, the whole thing, if it's 10, what is going to be our radius? It's going to be 5. Yes, we remember that. What if our diameter is 30? It's going to be 15. What if our radius is 7? Then our diameter is going to be 14. Okay, they're interchangeable. We just have to know, we have to double it if we have the radius to get the diameter, and we have to half it if we have the diameter and we want to get the radius. What is this little pesky square thing up there? That means that the radius is going to be squared. Not the whole problem, just the radius. And this is good. The H stands for height, so the height of the cylinder. So, we have all of these parts. What does it mean that they're all next to each other? Does it just mean they're just there and that's going to be the number? No. You have to multiply them. A lot of our friends like to do this. They like to put it in parentheses because we know parentheses means multiply, okay? So we're going to do an example. The example we're going to use is this cylinder. This is what a cylinder looks like. And we have 5 inches is going to be the radius because it's half of the circle on the top. And we have the height is 10 inches. So we have to use that data and fill in our formula with the data we have. So our volume formula, the first thing you need to do is always write the formula down. Is pi r squared times h. And what we're going to do now is we know we have pi. R squared is going to be 5 squared and times 10. So what's the next thing we're going to do? Well, we're going to step this out because we know we need to do that. I'm going to take my calculator and 5 squared, well, we already know that. That's 25. That's easy. And now we're going to multiply all those numbers together. So we need pi times 25 times 10, and that's going to equal 785. And that's the volume. That is going to be the volume of that shape. All right, so now we're going to do one more example. We're going to use this candle that I have from my house. It kind of glows, it's not real. I can turn it off. And this is a cylinder, right? Remember when we did the cylinder investigation and we used cans of soup and things of Pringles and we used all kinds of stuff? Well, we're going to use this cylinder. And we get my ruler. I'm going to use inches, because we have to make sure that we, I forgot in the last problem. You have to have units cubed. If you don't have units cubed, it's not going to work out. You need to have units cubed as they're your units. So what I'm going to need to do is I need to get the radius of this. So I'm using this. It's about 3 inches across. So I'm going to write this first. R squared times h. So we have pi. R is going to be 3. It said it was 3 inches across. So what's half of 3? 1.5 inches, or 1.5 squared. And then the height of this is going to be 4 inches. And now we are going to see what is 1.5 cubed. That equals 2.125. So now you just put that all in the calculator. So this answer is going to be V equals 228. Uh-oh, sorry friends, it went away. .28 or 28.26 inches cubed, because it's going to be a 3D shape. All right, friends, so that's a review of volume of a cylinder. Do not forget to step it out like I did. Thank you.